everyone, and in this code I'm going to teach you how to change Notepad to an HTML code. So first you have to open a Notepad, go to your search bar in your system, search for a Notepad. Then after that, let me highlight this. So after that, you'll see your Notepad. I'm using Windows, so I'm actually sure it will be the same for Mac. So in the Notepad, we're going to type exclamation mark, then doc type, capital letter, then HTML tag. After that, you are going to type an HTML tag and also do the closing tag. I'm sure for some people they'll say, why isn't this closing by itself? Because in Visual Studio Code it does. So because you are using Notepad, that's why. So after I've done the HTML tag, we'll do the head tag. After HTML is the head tag. So head tag. So in the head tag, I'm going to have a title. In all head tags, some has a title and a CSS link, but for my own, I do only title. So we're going to close the title, and the title is going to be changing Notepad to HTML. So after the title, in my next video, I'm going to be doing CSS link, but this one I just leave it like that. After the title, I'm going to have the body. So body, I'm going to save the body. So in the body tag, we're going to have an H1. Going to have an H1 of. If I'm making a project, you can actually copy the code and paste inside the body. I just prefer to use my own way. So in the H1, I'm going to have a heading 1. So we're going to close the H1. You can continue with it. You can do heading 2, heading 3. I just finish it like this. So after that, you go to this file drop down and click save as. Then you can save it as index 3. You can do index the HTML. I just save one as index 3 or index 2. Let me save it again. File save as index 2 dot. If I'm changing to HTML, I have to do dot HTML. So save it. So go to where we saved it, then go to index 2, then we've gotten our answer. So this is how to change Notepad to HTML, and I thank you for watching this video. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to change how to add a CSS link to it so you can style your code. Thank you.